Hey guys, so today we are going to be making a pumpkin spice cake. What? I actually made a pumpkin spice everything cake on my recipes channel and I think I improved on it, so I made another one. Now this is a straight out the box recipe. What gangsta? I'm using a Pillsbury Quick Breads muffin mix. What? There is a muffin recipe on the back and I actually really prefer muffins to cupcakes because I love the texture. So instead of buying cake mix, I bought this baby. Pillsbury, sponsor me. The first thing I did was take 3 boxes and bake 3 6-inch round cake. Then I let them cool, leveled them off, and we were ready to start. Now I wanted this cake to be extra basic. So instead of soaking it... What is wrong with me today? I think it's this. So instead of soaking it in simple syrup, I actually soaked it in pumpkin spice latte. Is that a good commercial? That was my 3-second Starbucks commercial. Starbucks, sponsor me. I put my pumpkin spice latte into a squeeze bottle and then I squeezed it over 3 of my cakes. This will make sure that it's super moist and give it a whole lot of pumpkin spice flavor. So what was I doing? I forgot now. Okay, so I did that. Now I took a little cake circle, placed a little dot of icing to hold down my first layer of cake. Now the icing I'm using is a caramel buttercream. I'm just gonna swirl it in the middle and then work my way out. Then I'm gonna take my offset spatula and then smoothen it out. And I sprinkled on some toasted chopped pecans. Toasted pecans are super easy to make. All you do is spread them out onto a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Place them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. You're kind of just waiting for your kitchen to fill up with the aroma of pecans. That's how you know they're done. Now I chopped about a handful and I kept the rest whole because I want the ones that I put on the top of the cake to be whole. So I'm gonna sprinkle them everywhere and then I'm going to drizzle on some caramel sauce. Then went on my next layer of cake, followed by some buttercream, some smoothing it out, some pecans, some caramel, and then another layer of cake. Now the way that I want to decorate this is by using a naked technique. Do you guys like nude cakes? Because I'm naked everywhere, including cakes. Now to make this nude cake, I actually covered the entire thing with buttercream. And then I use a cake scraper to take off most of the buttercream. You kind of just want to make sure that the whole thing is coated so that it kind of seals all of the moisture in, but the style reveals each layer of cake and the icing in between it. I really love naked cakes because all of these imperfections actually become what you're looking for, and so you make them beautiful. And once you finish that, we are going to take a whole bunch of pecans and then place them on top. And then we're gonna take some of them off. I wanted this to look like there was a mountain of pecans, and just putting them on like that didn't work. So I added a pile of buttercream to make sure that this looks like a modified pile of pecans. After I did that, I drizzled on some caramel onto the top of my pecans. And then I dripped caramel down the side of my cake like that. Oh my gosh. Cake is gorgeous because I can imagine what it tastes like already. Just watching the playback of the caramel, man, gets me so excited. This is so bomb. I actually had leftover batter, so I made some cupcakes. Good job. You did a good job, JK. Now I hope you guys enjoy this and I hope you try it because it is outstanding. Let me know in the comments what kind of cakes you want me to make next and I'll see you very soon. Bye.